dude. What? Wait, bro. Shit. Is it your ankle?
I don't know, man.
Does it hurt here?
No.
Does it hurt here?
Oh, don't touch there.
Hey, man.
Oh.
Fucking something really bad just happened.
Oh man. It don't look good.
No.
I think it's fucking broken, dude.
I need to call my dad.
No, dude. Don't worry about it.
I need to call my dad.
Let's just do it, you and I. Seriously. Fuck it. Maybe it's not broken.
Okay.
Sorry, he just fell. Yeah, he's okay. Thank you.
Skateboard?
Yeah. He fell, Dad.
Sorry, Rob.
Okay, good. You got it, dude. Perfect. All right. So get in the car, Daniel. Help him back.
You're gonna need surgery. Plates, screws, the whole deal.
Seriously?
He just got it.
Ay, ay, ay. Dean.
Okay. There we go. The gentleman said to me, you've got to take the camera off.
How do I pause it? Okay.
Do you want some juice to start with?